Hello beautiful people, I hope you're all doing well. Too many times have I gone on holiday and just ended up overpacking and not even wearing half of the clothes that I've taken with me. Going on holiday is actually such a great way to refine your wardrobe and put together that capsule wardrobe, as you only have limited space, so you can only bring a limited number of items. So I'm going away at the end of September, so this is actually a good way for me to refine my wardrobe, put together a few outfits and some items that I think might be worthwhile taking with me. This is actually going to be a good test for me and hopefully save me a bit of time when it comes to packing for that trip later in September. It's longer than a weekend, but nonetheless, we're gonna go with a weekend bag and just a carry-on fit that I have here. So this carry-on suitcase is the one that I'm gonna be using and the one that I'm gonna be packing my items in. So let's get packing. This suitcase isn't huge. We don't have a great amount of space. And just for context, I'm gonna be going to LA for about 2 weeks at the end of September. So I'm definitely going to be taking a much bigger suitcase than this. And let me just show you the items that I would like to pack, and then we'll see if they actually fit. It's probably going to be like 30 degrees there anyway, so it's going to be quite hot. So lots and lots of vests. White vest from Uniqlo, the Zara vest in off-white color, black one as well, and then one more vest, and it is this gray one from Uniqlo. 4 vests in total, 4 different outfits already there. Okay, so t-shirts now. I'm going to take this Uniqlo t-shirt, the dry color one, this white one. It's a fitted t-shirt. I think that will work quite nicely for evening wear. Just looks a little bit smarter rather than an oversized t-shirt. And because I'm taking another white t-shirt, which is this Polar Skate t-shirt, which I absolutely love, with the graphic on it, on the front, small one on the front, and then on the back as well. So that will just spice things up a little bit. Another graphic t-shirt, this Woodwood one, which adds a pop of color, so love that. Gonna take this lovely camp collar shirt from Uniqlo with me as well. I think this will pair nicely with the vest, especially the white, the off-white, and the black. Maybe not so much the gray, but we could obviously test that out. Then for leg wear, I am taking these light wash Levi 505 jeans because I do think it will get a little bit chillier in the evening. So I think jeans might be all right. But if anything, if they don't fit in my suitcase, then these are probably the ones that I'm gonna leave behind, just because they are denim and it is probably gonna sit around 25, 30 degrees when I do go away. We always have to have a black pair of trousers, and I'm going with these Ken joggers. I think these will be great, especially when I'm traveling on that 11-hour flight. Elasticated waistband, they're comfy, they're stretchy, they're perfect for travel wear, and they're smart as well. So they can double up too, so you can wear them casually and you can wear them quite smartly as well. So they can pair nicely with some loafers and that white fitted Uniqlo t-shirt that I showed you before. So absolutely have to have black trousers because they're so versatile and you can pair them with so many different outfits. Could probably just wear black trousers throughout the whole trip, to be honest, but that would be a little bit boring. Then these Zara wide leg trousers, which I picked up quite recently. They're lightweight, they're airy, they're breathable. They are the perfect pair of trousers to take with me to LA or anywhere for that matter. Elasticated waistband as well, so comfortable vibes and straight leg all the way through. I also just love the color of these, and I think this neutral colorway can go with a lot of the items that I have picked out already. So first jacket I'm thinking about bringing is this Dickies Eisenhower jacket. Because it's lightweight, it's pretty much like an overshirt. It's not going to provide a huge amount of warmth, and I can pair this with like a vest or a t-shirt, or it'll be just good to have like an extra layer at night if it gets a little bit chillier. The second jacket which I'm thinking about bringing with me is this washed oversized denim jacket, which I thrifted. I really love this piece. I wear it pretty much all the time. Again, it can provide a little bit of warmth, but I'm not gonna overheat in this jacket. It's the perfect transitional coat. I'm gonna leave some items which I'm going to wear to the airport, and then the rest I'm gonna pack into the suitcase. Before we jump into the video, I actually forgot one last thing, and that is footwear. Always gotta have a white pair of sneakers, and what better than these Acne Studios Perry sneakers, white with the gum sole, Velcro, easy, comfy pair of trainers to take with us. And white, they've got that versatility as well. Then for something that can double up, smart, casual, whatever we want to wear it with, it is the versatile pair of loafers. And when you're packing, you always want versatility. I know I've been talking about versatility, and I've probably said that word too many times. These Shoe the Bear loafers, we can wear them with shorts, we can wear them with trousers, joggers. They can be worn casually and then dressed up for the more formal evening outfits too. There we go, footwear done. Now, let's pack. All right, so items are here to my right, already packed up, and I'm just gonna load them up into the suitcase. Probably gonna need to stand up for this, so you're probably not gonna see my face, but you can see the suitcase, and that's the main thing. I'm not actually gonna put these in the suitcase, I'm gonna wear them. The loafers are gonna go in the suitcase. Now, let's load the rest of these items, and fingers crossed, they all fit. I'm actually pretty decent when it comes to packing, so let's see how this goes. Probably just get on some music, Zara, all the vests here, the Uniqlo t-shirt in, camp collar shirt, slapping that in. These Ken joggers I'm actually gonna wear when I leave the country, so they can stay out. Denim jeans, gonna roll them up quite nicely, put them in here. This Dickies jacket can go in there as well. It's great because you can just kind of roll it up. I've actually got a decent amount of space left still, which is kind of crazy. I feel like I'm missing some stuff. Boxes and socks. And you know what? There is one last item that I am gonna add, and it is a black t-shirt. So what I'm gonna wear on my way out, Ken joggers, black t-shirt, then this oversized washed denim jacket, Acne Studios Velcro sneakers for my way out. So let's grab some boxers, some socks, that Uniqlo t-shirt. I'll close the suitcase and then we're pretty much done. All right, so I've actually decided to bring 2 black t-shirts with me. The Uniqlo one, this Uniqlo one, and then this oversized t-shirt from Topman. Yep, last minute additions, but I realized I had so much space that I might as well utilize that space. Bunch of socks here, get them in wherever there's space. Even in between the shoes, there's actually such a good spot. Bunch of boxes. And you know what, there's another thing that I would add, and it is these green shorts, which I wear literally every single day. So to have something just to chill in would be really good. And my sliders will come with me, but they'll probably just be in my carry bag. Let's say like my tote bag. Couldn't even think of the name. So yeah, it'll be in my tote bag. The sliders will be with me. Let's zip this up. Close nicely. And there we go. I didn't even need to put the Uniqlo tee inside the suitcase since I'm going to be wearing it on my way out. I've packed very conservatively, and that bodes well for the future.
You're one of a kind. One of a kind.
So there we go, few looks for you guys, and that wraps it up for this video and me and this little guy who I'm going to be taking on holiday with me. Slightly different iterations of outfits, but the main thing is that I'm just utilizing all of the items that I'm taking with me. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.